Hey, it's Teresa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. Today we are going to make a bow with beautiful tails. I promise the template will be easy peasy. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, choose your desired fabric. I've made this bow with plain cotton, satin, jacquard, which is a little bit pricey, and embroidered cotton. With the fabrics I mentioned, you can use any fabric for this, literally, as long as you're comfortable. Keep in mind, if you're using fabric with beautiful pattern, pay extra attention to the pattern, or it will get cut off. The size is 28 by 17 centimeters. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew a straight line. After sewing, turn the fabric inside out and give a little press. Grab your ruler, fold the fabric in half and draw the exact center. I am using fabric marker that's easily washed with just water. Purchase link is in the description. Don't worry, it's very affordable. Now fold the fabric to the center and sew 2 straight lines. If you have zigzag pattern on your sewing machine, you can sew it only once. This is for our bow. Let's put this aside. Prepare another fabric. We need 2 pieces. Now I will show you how to draw the beautiful tails. Prepare a paper with the size 14 by 8 centimeters. Measure 7 centimeters from the upper left, 4 centimeters from the lower left, 2 centimeters up, 3.5 centimeters from upper left to lower right. Now you can connect the dots to draw the tails. Cut the template and we will get the beautiful template. With this template, I would say the fabric size is about 32 by 12 centimeters is enough. I still use my favorite fabric marker. If you like making hair accessories as much as I do, consider subscribing and check out my previous videos. After drawing, sew right on the marker and leave a gap in the middle. Cut out according to the shape with your fabric scissors. Always use your fabric scissors to cut only fabric. Next, trim around the curvy part. This way you can have a really nice curvy line. Turn the fabric inside out and use something pointy to push from the inside. Give it a little press. Take the previous bow and scrunch the center. Sew right on the exact center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. Next, prepare your hair clip. I use 8 centimeters for half updo and 10 centimeters for ponytails. Attach with hot glue gun. Lastly, prepare a small piece of fabric. 12 by 5 centimeters is enough. Fold in half and sew this part. For turning small fabrics, loop turner is my favorite. Slide it inside, hook the fabric, and carefully pull it out. Attach this to the hair bow and sew this part for the last time. If you can move the needle to the left side, do so, would be much better. Trim the excess fabric, flip it over, add some glue to make it stays in place. That's it. Our beautiful hair bow with tails is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you find it useful, please give me a like and subscribe to support this channel. Any questions, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!